Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. And I hope you guys like my Singapore city. Watch all the videos in the playlist. Click here. Yep, click right here. So in today's episode, we're doing most requested topic and basically most of the people love is shopping. In my 5-day trip to Singapore, I found some amazing places to shop from. So I've listed 3 places you should definitely visit and all 3 are drastically different. So let's begin. Number 1 is Boobies shopping street. Now this street has to be on top of the list because oh my god, it was like a paradise for shopping lovers. Especially if you're into Korean dramas, K-pop, cute Asian sort of outfits, then you're gonna love this shopping street. You get accessories, bags, watches, sunglasses, frames, footwear, cute stuff, stationery, everything. You name it, they have it. Main funda in this market is to bargain. Language is going to be a little difficult to manage, but bargaining is the key. Try and use your bargaining skills to get good price. There's only one con in this whole street. That is, you cannot try these clothes out. So basically there is no trial room, so you can't really try on these stuff. So you gotta measure yourself, try and using different techniques that you know to measure how and stuff so that you'll not regret your purchases later. Number 2 is Marine Bay Sands, the Shopee. Now this one is quite different to the Boogies shopping street. Now this one is a luxury sort of a mall. Yes, like you find every luxury brand you know of, starting from Guess, Zara to Chanel, Gucci, YSL, Charles & Keith, Versace, Mulberry, Issey Miyake, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Coach, Kate Spade, every brand that you know of, all international brands. Of course, price points are too high for the league, but you can definitely do window shopping if you go there. Also, if you want to invest in a luxury item, then you should definitely go check it out. Number 3 is Mustafa Centre in Little India. So there's this place called Little India in Singapore where you get almost everything that you need as an Indian. So this place is basically a lifesaver for us. You get all varieties of Indian food, clothing, perfumes, watches, again, everything that you generally need of. So you have all branded stuff here for such low prices. I felt like it was somewhat a D-Mart in India, but all branded stuff. We actually couldn't get curd in Singapore anywhere in Singapore, but at last we found it in Mustafa Centre. So you know how it was a lifesaver for us. Oh, so talking about food, I also made a video on what I ate in Singapore the whole trip. I'm gonna link it over here, so go watch it. So that is it for the video, guys. I've been to so many shopping places in Singapore, but I felt like these are the main shopping places that I need to talk about, and none of the places impressed me as much as these did. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, lots of love. Bye.